Reportedly, Apple is preparing to launch an iPhone 17 Ultra this year. But we've heard that one before, haven't we? Rumors circulated ahead of both the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 series, suggesting that an Ultra model would either replace the Pro Max or sit just above it in the lineup. Now, that very same rumor is back and gaining momentum. According to a new report from a Naver blog, Apple might officially phase out the Pro Max and bring in the iPhone 17 Ultra as a new top-tier flagship. This claim comes from deep supply chain market analysis, indicating that Apple is preparing a device with brand new hardware features. One of the standout upgrades is a reportedly smaller dynamic island, which would point to a refreshed front-facing design. But here's the catch. Apple's component order suggests there won't be enough units to support both a Pro and an Ultra version. That heavily implies the Ultra is here to replace, not to accompany. The report also reveals that the iPhone 17 Ultra will be the only model to feature a vapor chamber cooling system, a technology that allows for improved thermal management, especially during high-performance tasks like gaming or using intensive apps. On top of that, the Ultra is said to include a larger battery than last year's Pro Max, offering not just more power, but potentially better endurance for on-the-go users. However, this also means the device will likely be thicker than the current generation, a trade-off many might gladly accept for extended battery life. Some might think this is a stretch. But let's not forget, Apple's been using the Ultra label across its product line, from the rugged Apple Watch Ultra to the powerhouse M3 Ultra chip. It's becoming clear that Ultra is Apple's new branding language for premium high-performance devices. Introducing an iPhone Ultra wouldn't just be a naming shift. It would create a product tier with the freedom to innovate without being constrained by the expectations tied to the Pro Max name. And yes, you guessed it. That also gives Apple a chance to hike prices, increase their profit margins, and market the iPhone Ultra as the most elite iPhone ever made. With unique hardware, advanced cooling, a thicker body, and possibly even exclusive features, this new Ultra model could redefine what Apple considers a true flagship. That said, it's still early to say for sure if the rumor will hold. Apple is famously tight-lipped, and plans can change fast. But as we inch closer to the expected iPhone 17 series reveal in September, the rumor mill will only heat up more. Will Apple really drop the Pro Max name? Will the Ultra live up to the hype? And what will it cost? We'll be keeping a close eye on every leak, update, and supply chain whisper leading up to the big reveal. So, stay tuned, because if these reports turn out to be true, the iPhone 17 Ultra could be Apple's boldest move yet. Don't miss any updates, only here on TechVerse.